Hello everyone, my name is Santiago Sanchez. I'm a data science student at the Compensar University Foundation, and in this video, I'll be talking about Gotham City and my plans to solve three major urban problems. Gotham City faces three major changes. Our downtown has no green spaces where residents can relax. The air quality is poor due to heavy traffic and industrial pollution. And currently, there is not a reliable public transportation system connecting our neighborhoods. Today, I want to share my plans to transform Gotham into a better place for all residents. My plan to improve Gotham City. What's my plan? First, let's talk about the green spaces. The question is, why don't we create a habitat garden in an empty lot downtown? This would be a beautiful green area where residents can relax and enjoy nature. We should plant trees and flowers to improve the environment. Second, regarding and quality, one thing we could do is encourage people to use bikes instead of cars. The question is, how about how about building bike lanes throughout the city? This will reduce traffic congestion and pollution at the same time. Third, for public transportation, let's develop a reliable public transportation system with clean buses and trains. Maybe we can connect different neighborhoods with affordable routes. We shouldn't spend too much money. So we could start with a FLK routes and spend later. Additionally, I think we should renovate all vacant buildings and transform them into community centers where residents can meet and take classes. How Gotham benefits from these changes? These changes would bring many advantages to our city. The new green spaces would improve air quality significantly. Trees and plants naturally cleanse the air, making our residential areas healthier places to live. The bike lines would create clean streets with less traffic, and heavy traffic will decline. People could enjoy an affordable lifestyle because biking is cheaper than driving. The cosmopolitan atmosphere of our city would attract more young professionals and families. So, with good public transportation, we'd have a convenient location for everyone. Residents could get to know each other better during their commutes, create, creating a strong sense of community. The safe neighborhood environment would improve because well maintained streets and good roads reduce accident. Finally, the renovated community centers would offer a good nightlife with cultural activities. People could stage exhibition, take fitness classes, or simply gather with neighbors. A better Gotham for all. The question in this slide is, how do these changes make residents happy? These improvements will transform our urban area into a place where people truly want to live. Families would have parks where children can play safely. The green area would become a gathering site for the whole community. So, young professionals would appreciate the convenient location and reliable public transportation for their daily commute. Elderly residents would benefit from cleaner air and peaceful green space near their homes. By 2020, our city could be a model of sustainable urban development, a place with excellent air quality, beautiful parks, and efficient transportation using in our city would become more desirable and the sense to community will grow stronger. Thank you for watching my video. Together we can build a better future for Gotham and cities everywhere.